None but ourselves can free our minds.
A lot of children.
Yeah, with the children and everyone. Everyone was smiling and
no need for the children to be sad, you know.
dancing.
They're innocent,
Yeah.
right? All children innocent. So them should.
Tell the children the truth. If you get down and quarrel every day, you're saying prayers to the devil, I say. Don't gain the world and lose your soul. Wisdom is better than silver or gold. The greatness of a man is not in how much wealth he acquires, but in his integrity and his ability to affect those around him positively. Truth is, everybody is going to hurt you. You just gotta find the ones worth suffering for. Open your eyes. Look within. Are you satisfied with the life you're living? I have education. I have inspiration. If I was educated, I would be a damn fool. When you smoke the herb, it reveals you to yourself.
Describe our music as a road to consciousness. But we call it music still, you know, revolutionary music.
Revolutionary in what respect?
Revolutionary of the mind, you know, bring the reality of what has been hidden, from the wise and the prudent to the babe and the suckling.
Man is a universe within himself. When one door is closed, don't you know, another is open. Life is one big road with lots of signs, so when you're riding through the ruts, don't complicate your mind. Flee from hate, mischief and jealousy. Don't bury your thoughts. Put your vision to reality. Wake up and live. Every man got a right to decide his own destiny.
You know, but it's not how long I've been a Rasta, it's how long it takes you to grow up. Because what he is what he is. From beginning to the end, you can never change, because if you even adapt things later out, you won't filter right out. So we're just Rasta from creation, you know. But me is a common sense, man. That means when me explain things, me explain it in a very simple way. That means if I explain it to a baby, the baby will understand too, you know. So we are saying now, like the Bible says, God said him shall return as the King of Kings, the Lord of Lords, the conqueror Lion of a tribe of Judah. And him shall come in a new name. And this new name shall be dreadful among the heathen.
In this bright future, you can't forget your past. As a man, so shall he reap. And I know that talk is cheap, but the heat of the battle is as sweet as the victory. My music will go on forever. Maybe it's a fool say that, but when me know facts, me can say facts. My music will go on forever. I don't stand for the black man's side. I don't stand for the white man's side. I stand for God's side. God sent me on earth. He sent me to do something, and nobody can stop me. If God wants to stop me, then I stop. Man never can. I don't know how to live good. I only know how to suffer. Every time I plant a seed, he say kill it before it grow. He say kill it before they grow.
Music?
Money. I mean, how much is a lot of money to you?
Yeah, that's a good question. Have you made, say, millions of dollars?
No.
Are you a rich man?
When you mean rich, what you mean?
Do you have a lot of possessions? A lot of money in the bank?
Position make you rich? I don't have that type of richness. My richness is life, forever.
You're not supposed to feel down over whatever happened to you. I mean, you're supposed to use whatever happened to you as some type of upper, not a downer. The good times of today are the sad thoughts of tomorrow. It take many a year, mon, and maybe some bloodshed must be, but righteousness someday prevail. Me only have one ambition, you know. I only have one thing I really like to see happen. I like to see mankind live together. Black, white, Chinese, everyone. That's all. Prejudice is a chain. It can hold you. If you prejudice, you can't move, you keep prejudice for years. Never get nowhere with that. Rastafari not a culture, it's a reality.
I don't care who the guy is. Because my right is my right, like my life. You know? All I have is my life. That means if I can say, I don't want that or I don't want this. When I check it out, the biggest man was a baby one time. So I don't know where him get all of these big ideas, want to be rulers over people. See? And help enforce devilism. Can't dig it. Can't take it. We're a rebel, man. We're revolutionaries, you know?
Is that the way you'd see yourself?
Yeah, I see myself as a revolutionary who don't have no help and not take no bribe from no one to fight it single-handed with music.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.